handle Blackstars that I said there is a curse on their head.
Football adie bia amanfo ani agye hu yi ankasa yenim say especially men omo football pana football die edu say ye bebobo a ya na ehu sa ho keka no bosoro because obia person team ewene na ebusia Angola ene Ghana match a course ewo Kumase a ye defeat Ghana poto no Alabaster International Ministry sofo ani din ene Prophet Oduro wono wa be react to Ghana Blackstars defeat or Chilema was say Ghana Blackstar ya domi or moenomi eda omuti so na me stress say aha let's talk GH rumors and then the first time I wa pop into my video now subscribe now I share ede ama me say the be ya me uploading new video bia wonsa ebetimi aka na ebusia sofu ojo echema was say Ghana Blackstars eno me edo mutiri so eni omumpanyufo enu nti na da ne da nyina omukoso wa defeating.
When you are discomfited and when you stand before your enemies and you are defeated on a protracted years or time, something is on your head that needs to be broken. Like the way Blackstars stands before their enemies and continuously defeated. You can never tell me there is a blessing on Blackstars. You can never tell me. Tell the people who handle Blackstars that I said there is a curse on their head. Tell them I said there is a curse on their head that needs to be broken. The team will be defeated and defeated and defeated until that curse is broken. Wicked people, irresponsibility. All they know is chop money. They bring people from places and fix them in the team. Nobody can tell me the people playing Blackstars are there because of merit. Nobody. You call these players?
Nebusia enu no sofu Oduro chema o chere say Blackstars dey bia constantly ye defeat omuni nyina no enome enedo omuti so now until it is broken no ombeko so defeat na as a boys mutwa bet ya muni nyina say enome na di Blackstars for ye chi o ene wo so obuye bibi fa wana amuje won say we leave comment or comment section and famma me Nebusia ye ko ensem fofo mu munim say few days ago me de beso mu say Nanaba the traveler and Fiashwas nigga the godson watatu ni din egu ne nsa ho and sa boy ya che no ewo Amasaman police station enam eso heba ene no ntawa bi ekoso na eso heba kra no before so ni Nanaba the traveler ebenya asem no na asantoa TikToker asantoa oni ni nwa Keveli ne ama official nsem ya ekoye bubuja ewo TikTok eno ene ma Nanaba the traveler onu ko support asantoa enam so odi ebedidi maami atema ekoye nsem bebre ewo apene so enti Nanaba bedu Ghana kwape ana ye chie no ede ne kopie mu ewo Amasaman police station na ho no kwa no echie ma ye see the fraud cases enyina edito no so eno Emma Fiashwas nigga cry be react say ono die Nanaba the traveler no onim ne said de watatu ni die gu ne ho a wansoma no ni nyina afia be kan say ono wansoma no
in the first place. And me, I don't want to have anything to do with a thief. See, I don't want to have anything to do with a thief. Kromfo, Nipa Kromfo, I despise you. I don't know you people. The fact that you call me mommy doesn't mean I see you as a son. My son is called James. My son is called John. My daughter is Adie Pena. My godson, your friend Richard Pongo.
Nebusia and semune koso ne fear the betu just say. Onu asem ne baye no okole higher authorities and police won't inform my chain so won't you move free mo na a year na naba the traveler the case na a fraud case I want if you as a media me dem say from fraud the me family had earn money emma me support it
me pusa na naba ordinary yet naba I call the highest authority in the police force. And I realized that he was on the police wanted list for fraud. Maybe mother.
A lot of people are saying what they don't know. So let them say it.
Maybe mother. Obi any dance me Megina ha blackmail will be, and I Megina ha blackmail will be. By yet na chrome ha SME blackmailer.
Ebusiana and several no na yen another the traveler or who are beg. Hey, the one another the traveler see power TikTok app and so pa. It's have some tool pa to me humble sir. There's a social media emi kia no one can so say as you. To can say man wash and another the traveler to meet camera see them no one send but to the moody or boat to us the whole.
Hey, ATS so heba obi nka kire maami so go pensu obi nyale se ne baby bon. Hey, say wo ye 24 hours ago. Maami so liko dwale wa na ma center ba ha. Wo ba bi ye hyedodo. Nyina na ye ntutu. Maami ko pensu obi dwale wa na pe aduane bi di na e beto so anwumre. Ye na ade honam kankan. Hey, ti mo amone na mo kan so go pensu obi nyale. Na na ho bon.
Kansema kesiye pa fa eso eba ho a ene na naba ene efu abegi mumi enhwe ni video ni mra eba ebeto aso Ebusiana na banu no ono odi ekotodwe egu form a opa eso heba cho ya na so ma mene say ade a waka e de egu mu fi wogu mi hospital mu fi ni de lalai me fa nche woda ko ne ku face lo no ba wodi beye esua de eno enam so e ma ye de no ekopie mu o Amasaman district court na ehwo no ana yebu ase na naba the traveler enkom uncle remand for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, Obesa appear court 20th of this month, yes, September 20th. Obesa kupiemu court na court finally court decided and say it's up to court the omode beye no see ebema bail until then na naba remand for 2 weeks. Na enum no ane ete say ye nim say efia ene na naba nsem omu beda ni close a chocho ni di to ne ho no omu involve na tornado an efia danfo dada atwem omu involve no wo omu agodie nim kakra enti enam so ma em say na tornado ti say ya che na pe no say me de mani kwa akɔhye ti ono so ekopie mo police station wa ekɔhye
Mama Jesus tornado the president.
Yeah, one and only Obiabua. You need to know the name. What I say, Accra president. And Kumasi president.
Live.
You can't travel.
And I'm back Kumasi and I want to carry free no.
You know what? And you're feeling very mama say.
Papa no see.
Nebusia mesem say aha let's talk GH rumors so into any first time I want pop into this video obe like obe subscribe amame said me uploading new video bia onsa ebetimi aka na wa share so e de amame mo adani den nyina mo follow na mo like no me say nyame onhira mo nyina me say any updates be ebeba about the stories me dey be 7 minutes bia me sign e de bebrem me din ede nana akua asantewa makram